and welcome. Do you want to get started with affiliate marketing of Amazon products? But how do you get started? Hello everyone, welcome to One to Step. In today's guide, we're going to see how we can become an Amazon affiliate. Well, in Amazon, affiliate are all managed under Amazon Associates. So we need to first create an account in Amazon Associates. Alright, we're going to go to affiliate-program.amazon.com and press enter. Now here, if you already have an Amazon account, it does not help. Alright, you need to create a brand new Amazon affiliate or associate account. So let's click on sign up. But if we have an Amazon account, we can skip some steps of the associates account creation. So let's enter our email or phone number and password. Now click on sign in. So it is preloaded our contact information or address that Amazon is going to use to issue payments. I'm going to leave it as it is. In your case, you might have to fill the fields and let's select next. So we need to enter our website address or mobile app address. Let's add it. Now next. No. Confirm. So we need to enter the preferred associates store ID and tell about the content we create, what kind of content we create, and how did we hear about Amazon Associates. Typing the captcha, and if you agree and click on finish, Amazon will review and determine whether they are going to approve of your request or application or not. Once the application is approved, you can involve in Amazon affiliate program. Right now you know how to become an affiliate in Amazon. Found this video helpful? Do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions? Do leave them in the comment section. Until next time, bye bye.